Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today is an unboxing video. This is Teresa Collins' empowerment box. It comes every 2 months and I am super excited to share it with y'all. I have not opened it. I did get it a few days later than I would have expected it, but I got it. It's in good shape. So let's open it. All right. Look at that. Look, we've got some great text in here. Live life to the fullest, do the things you love, make memories, laugh more, forgive, you are magic, love yourself, love others, follow your passion, be positive. Great inspiration things inside. This is her newest box. Her old box was black on the outside and this is white. So we have this lovely printable, that she sent us. She just said thank you. This is really awesome. And look, is this a gold bag? Ooh, this feels nice. Oh wow, look at that. Be a warrior. Ooh, this is nice. This will be cute to carry around your planner and your notebook or whatever when you go places. This is really nice. I like this. This feels really sturdy. All right, and since people were talking about this in the group, this is my bracelet. So it says friend. I know that she was selling these when she had her, I don't know, shopping thing at the end of last year. So this says friend on here. Here we have some of her designer notebooks. And so this is a 3-pack. And so we have Girl with Goals with lined pages, Bold, Powerful, Love, Enough, Strong with grid, and then we have her favorite leopard print with a dot grid. So let's look inside. So those are the lines for Girl with Goals. Bold, Powerful, Love, and Strong, and note that is the grid. And then here is the dot grid, which, there we go. That's a nice dot grid. All right, what else do we have in here? Okay, I don't even know. Okay, all right. We have a mask with leopard print. Of course we do. So you can be fashionable and safe when you go outside of your house. All right, let's see what's in this gold packet thing. It's stapled, so I'll be nice and not rip it too much. So take that out. And we have a scrunchie. Oh my goodness, the 90s called and they want their velvet scrunchie. This is awesome. It feels really nice too. It's a pretty dusty rose color. I like that. All right, here is an art card with a paper clip on it. It says stay sparkly and extra focused. I wonder if there was something attached to that. That's a really great art card. Let's see. Oh, and we have some stickers. So we have designer sticker set 4. And then we also have faves, another one. Faves, which is great, which has the alphabet in it, which is really awesome. And then we also have some of her journaling stickers, which are really great for journaling, or you can use them in your planner, which is really great. And then her, let's see, empowerment stamp set 4, which is love, be good, keep going, never give up, you can. This is kind of perfect for Valentine's Day or anything, just inspiration to stamp in your journal or make cards with. All right, let's see, we have this BU card and this little clip. It's a little hair clip, that's really cute. And then we have some planet art prints. Now these have all the days of all the months of the year on here. And so this is really great to stick in your planner. You can punch it, you can trim it down, and then put it in your planner. You could memory keep on it. I think I will be showing a video on how to do that, so stay tuned, like and subscribe my videos, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. And the last thing is, oh look, it's an ornament that is a heart. So you can hang this up. Just remember to love yourself because you are enough. Love everyone. All right, so y'all, this was a really great box. I am loving all of this, and you've got this little thick container. You can use it to store all sorts of fun little things, bits and bobs that are kicking around on your desk. Well, this was a great box. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!